So we're going for the second problem here. So Newton's forward interpolation second problem we are taking. Here the quite different problem we have got here. So u 0.5 we have to find from the data given. U naught equal to 225, u1 is given, u2 is given, u3 is given. So that means what is the meaning of this? See, always remember it is in the form of what? Ux equal to y. That means whatever is given, that will be considered as x. Here equal to, that will be considered as y. Okay, so let us form the table first. So we'll start with the x values, then y, which we can write it as what? Ux also, y is equal to ux if you want for the reference. Otherwise you can leave it as it is. Now starting with the x values, just write column wise. So 0 is there, then 1, then 2, then 3. Then corresponding y values you have to write. Now we'll start with the first difference. So first forward difference is represented by delta y naught. So how to find? Just take the difference of this and this. How much you are getting? 238 minus 225. It is 13. Okay. So y1 minus y0 we have done here. So y1 minus y0 will give you the this answer as delta y is delta y. Okay, so this is delta y0. Okay, this is delta y, not delta y0. The first value will be delta y0. Next difference we'll take. So 320 minus 238. How much we are getting? It is 82. Again the same thing. What we have done? Y2 minus y1. And this represents the delta y1 value. Next difference between this and this, it is 20, y3 minus y2, and this is delta y2. So first forward difference column is done. Next we'll go for the second column difference. Okay. Second forward difference, this is delta square y. So difference between the 13 and 82. 82 minus 13 is 69. And it is how we got delta y1 minus delta y0, right? Difference between these two, and it is represented by delta square y0. Next, again subtraction of this. What is 20 minus 82? It is minus 62. See, remember, you can get negative values also. That's why I'm writing here each and every step. That what you have done here, delta y2 minus delta y1, right? Always it is the lower one minus the upper one. Whether it is positive value, negative value, it doesn't matter. Always lower one minus the upper one. Now this also done. So this is basically delta square y1. And next difference, minus 62 minus 69, right? How much it will be? Minus 131. So this how we got delta square y1 minus delta square y0, and this is basically the third difference, delta cube y column. So this we can write it as delta cube y0. The first value is always y0. So what you have got here, how many values of y we had? 4 values. The first forward difference column we got 3 values. It has been reduced to 3, then 2, then 1. Further we cannot do because pair only we can subtract, right? So this is the final value we have got. So what in formula of Newton's forward difference, which values we have to consider? There are many values in this table. Only the starting values of y. y0 is there, delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0. Other values no need to consider, right? So first, so this is the Newton's forward difference formula. In this we have to find the value of p also. What is p? P is basically x minus x naught by h. Now x is what they have asked in the question. So in the question they have asked 0.5. So we have to put here 0.5. minus x naught value is the starting value. Here we can see it is 0 divided by h. H is the step length or the gap between the intervals in x. So x intervals you have to see 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So what is the gap? Gap you can see it is 1. Okay. So it is 1. So how much you are getting? 0.5. So this p value you have to use in the formula. So y of x. So y of what they have asked in the question? 0.5 equal to y naught value. So everything you have to substitute. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 2. Delta square y naught is given as 69. Okay. Plus now we need to simplify this. So after simplification you will be getting y of 0.5 the value as how to verify whether you have got the right answer or not. See what we have found out, y of 0.5. So in this intervals you see y of 0.5. 0.5 is the x value, x equal to 0.5. Where it lies? It lies between 0 and 1. Right? Here 0.5 is sitting. Now corresponding y values if we check, it is 225 and 238.